And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held delegation-level talks with President of Maldives, Ibrahim Mohamed Solih, in New Delhi today. Both sides reviewed bilateral ties and discussed ways to strengthen linkages in areas of development partnership, trade, connectivity and P2P ties, among others. In the joint press statement after the talks, Mr. Modi said they reviewed projects for the construction of 4,000 social housing units in Greater Malé. The Maldivian president said Maldives-India relationship goes beyond diplomacy, and this visit is an affirmation of the close bond between the two countries.
ग्रेटर माला कनेक्टिविटी प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत का स्वागत किया। यह मालदीव का सबसे बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट होगा। हमने आज ग्रेटर माले में 4,000 सोशल हाउसिंग यूनिट्स उसके निर्माण के प्रोजेक्ट का रिव्यू भी किया।
Maldives-India relationship goes beyond diplomacy. Our values, our histories, and our cultures are intertwined, making it a traditional relationship.